I know you love using emojis with your friends on social media and in messages. But today, let me show you how to find and use emojis right on your computer to make your writing way more fun and expressive. Whether you are creating reports, invitation, or just jazzing up your notes, adding emojis and stickers in Microsoft Word can instantly brighten up your document and catch attention. So let's start. First of all, open Microsoft Word program. So now here I want to write something. It can be everything I told you before. For example, I want to write that today I am very happy. Now I want to use a happy sticker or a happy smile, a smiley stickers or emoji. So how can I use this? There is no option for an emoji to bring there from menus. So this is a trick. Just press Windows key plus dot in your keyboard. When you click it, so you will see this menu. Now here are all the emojis and stickers that you want to use. And now just click on that emoji and it will be in your Word page. For example, I want to use this emoji. I am just clicking on this. So now I am having this emoji in my Word document. You can use every kind of emoji and sticker that you want to use. Just click Windows key plus dot in your computer. So here are all the emojis and stickers that you are searching for. You can scroll it from here and just select your favorite one. There are thousands of emojis that you can use in your computer. So this was our video. I hope you enjoyed and learned it. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next. Thanks for watching.